frickin' hot out here today. 94 degrees. And we have a 2006 C6 convertible here. My buddy's car. We're gonna race. And so it's a 400 horse Corvette. Automatic. And then we have my Lightning. And so actually I'm filming this after we ran. So this truck is like just hot. Just really hot. So that's okay, but that's just part of doing it. So we made a couple runs. I think like 3 runs, and each time screwed something up with the GoPro and the phone or the drone or something. So hard to say what's gonna come through, but this is the car. Nice car. Just a cruiser, nice, kind of a jean shorts kind of a Corvette. So anyway, thanks Matt for getting the footage on this thing.